Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I did try to actually get the event on camera, but I was recording and my file got corrupted. So I mean, it wasn't that good. It was kind of anticlimactic. The ball basically just turned into wind, and there was a bunch of snow. It wasn't amazing, but there are new modes, so I want to see what it's actually done. Like, this is my first game in the ice storm thing, so I mean, nothing's added to the item shop. It's just, let's see. Rip hamster. Wait a minute, there's a problem. That's the powder backpack, but it's not the hamster. Oh, problems, boys. Yo, you got a mic, dude?
Hello?
Hello, dude. You any good?
What?
Did you see the event?
Where are you from?
Why? Did you see the event, dude?
Yes, I see the event.
Get doing something. Yeah, the event was epic. I mean, it wasn't that good. It was just a bunch of wind, but I mean, it was epic, if you know what I mean. Oh, I killed him. Yeah, what?
Is this your first round?
Yeah,
after this
first
event?
snow one, yeah, after the event. Yo.
The
Damn.
last round was my first round, and
The storms even covered the desert. Yeah, I'll go tomorrow. I love tomorrow. Oh. This is amazing.
yes.
Cool. Alright. Not many. I don't think there's an actual map change, but it's just covered in snow. Damn, this is cool.
There's a very big. What the fuck? There were a very big Frost King.
Frost King.
Yes. In German is it Eiskönig, but I don't know how it's is in.
I speak a little German, but not much. So, I mean, I'll understand if you speak a little in German. Like, I know how to say my name is and stuff.
What?
I know how to say, like, my name is and stuff like that in German.
Minfi King YouTube? I do.
Oh, man. Hello. That looks strange as hell when you do it with you. Yo, what's that? What's that noise?
Frozen zombies.
Frozen. What? Where? Nah, I want to fight them.
There some. Come.
Coming? Frozen zombies. Don't kill them. Oh, so it's like the fiends. Yeah, it's just the fiends, but the. Oh, no, come back. Yo, this is cool. Man.
But I don't like zombies.
Okay, well you just keep fighting them. I'll destroy this. Gotta admit though, this is at least a little cool. You got a spare shotgun or something? of chests. I got pretty good stuff. I mean, I need a shotgun, but other than that, I'm doing pretty well. Yeah, you like can't see anything though. Dude, right, come here.
Yes.
I'm taking this zip line to like the expedition outpost. Yeah, this is
Oh,
mental.
there are planes. Can you come and?
No, there aren't. Not any. Nada. 9. Furchtbar. My pronunciation isn't the best, but no, I didn't. Where are all the shotguns at? Like, damn. Yes, do you see someone?
There are people. I see. Yeah, yes.
Okay, right, I'm gonna grab this chest and then come.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll swap that out. Alright, I'm coming. No, 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 no. No! Ah,
No, I don't have mats.
no, he jumped. I'm coming.
They're very low. I knocked one.
Okay.
I
Oh,
can't
you got
kill
him.
the other.
Nice. You're pretty good.
Oh, I need here.
Yeah, I got a medkit for you.
Here.
There, medkit.
Oh. No, I can't.
Oh, shotgun. Oh.
Thanks.
No problem. Yeah, let's move. Let's push. Let's push. Ooh, tagged him. We'll tag one of them. The powder, I think. Oh, what?
I just he's so low. One.
What?
I can't do anything. God.
Alright, the other one's mine. I call dibs.
I had one. Oh no.
Stay in cover.
He's so low.
What?
Oh no.
Oh man, I'm playing terribly.
Nice.
He's got a minigun. Okay, I got him. I'm coming? Yeah, I'm coming.
Thanks.
I'm gonna pick up a little loot on the way, but I mean, I swear to God, if they kill us right now, I'm gonna be so mad. You don't even want to know. I can give you another medkit, by the way. You stay here and heal. I'll venture out into the wilderness.
What season do you play?
Number 2.
Okay.
Except, like, from season 2 all the way to season, like, 4, I had, for some reason, I had, like, some of the biggest lag ever. So I couldn't actually play properly, so I couldn't improve. So I only really started, like, playing in season, like, 5. If you know what I mean.
Okay. Oh, I don't see him, but I killed one.
Damn, was it over here?
I don't see him.
Was it over here? Wait, where was it? North?
I'm
Sure, I'm not gonna make that. It's too far away. Hold up. Oh, finally. Wait for me. Yeah, is there any balloons for me?
Yes, I do.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, I don't like to hold on to balloons. I just like to have one, you know. Yeah, what shotgun do you have? Moving in. Wait, they can throw stuff? Yo, they can throw like snowballs. What? No, this is epic.
One of them.
This is cool. Ow. Yo, there's so much medium ammo. Like, damn. Could I get some other ammo? Yo, how much heavy ammo you got?
What ammo?
Heavy ammo, like sniper?
Wait. Here, I dropped some. 9.
Oh, thanks. You wish to get to the zone?
Ooh, the zone. It's not so nice, but it's okay.
I've seen worse, at least. Yep, that's the one that throws snowballs. A legendary! There's a legendary! Nah, he's hurt. I already got a legendary one.
Drink the blood. Oh,
I see him, I saw him.
I see him.
He's got an RPG.
Yes. That's bad fun.
Yep.
Oh, the zone.
We'll be fine, bro. We got this. I believe. I tagged him.
Oh, he had the
Yes.
jump pad?
Yeah, grab it.
He's so low. I kill him.
Yep. Let me out.
Oh, I have another jump pad.
Okay, go. Just grab some stuff. Don't mind me. Oh, come on. Let's make this. Oh, it's not that far, actually.
Do you have a campfire?
No. I have 2 traps, a mounted turret, and a launch pad.
I have 2 traps too, but no campfire.
Medkit. For you. You can have it if you want. Or should I? Up to you. Medkit. Do you want
don't want it?
it? Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, then have it.
I take it.
Get pickaxed.
I have
Yep.
Let's win this.
Yeah, we got this, bro, I
That's-
believe. I have nothing lower than blue as well, so we got this for sure.
How many kills do you have?
1.
And how many wins?
I don't know. Not many, but... See, I'm a good player, I just don't get any wins. I only got like 12 or 13. So, you know.
No problem.
Yo, someone actually trying to shoot me.
Oh, over you. I hit him.
Yeah, I see him.
Have,
Hold on, let me just quickly
I
grab this
snipe
loot.
him,
I need
but
the ammo.
First we kill him.
Right. He's moving.
He's so low.
Oh, he did damage. Oh, that building, man.
He's so low. Whoa. Oh, I have him.
Oh, come on, man.
Ooh.
How many kills you got, like, genuinely?
I stack minis. Can you drop the minis? I have 5.
There was only one.
Okay.
And I used it because I need it. Medkit, yay! And a big pot. Woo! I'm gonna have to carry this.
I hope we win.
Nah, don't hope. No, we are gonna win, dude. We got this, bro. Oh,
Yes.
no. Oh, I'm an idiot. No. You know how you have the campfire for health? They should add something for shield as well. Oh my god. That hurts. That really hurts.
You have not so many lives.
Yeah, I got my kit though. I'm good.
Do you drink the biggie? The big shit?
Yeah, I drank it.
I forgot that I have minis. Mini shirt.
Oh no, that's cool, bro.
People.
Where? Oh, I see him.
Okay, nice.
Big pot, yay. Just quickly see if I can pop this and then. No, no. Alright, I'm coming.
No.
I got him
He's
full
so
damage.
I hate him.
Someone behind us? No, the zombies are destroying everything. Why zombies? Why? Why me?
What fuck? Oh.
What?
He's so
Oh, this kid with his builds, man.
Yeah.
No! Oh, I knocked him. I must stay spectated because I think I maybe might get
Let's
the kill.
play another round.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add you, dude.
Scheiße.
Wait, I'm gonna stay spectating just a little. Come on, let me get the kill. He was in the storm, surely. Hey! Alright, guys, I think that'll do it for this videos. I think that'll do it for this video. Oh, bye, guys, and see you next time. Bye!